Okay, so good day. Ang kukonfigure natin or we will be configuring for today's video is about the basic ASA firewall configuration. It's more on the adaptive security appliance firewall. So today we will be constructing using the following network components such as 5 personal computers. Ito ay para sa VLAN 1, 5 PC for VLAN 2. We have also two switches or router and one 5505 ASA firewall. So our task here is to configure ASA with the policy that ping and telnet are allowed from the inside subnet to the outside subnet. So using the Cisco ASA 5505 configuration is I will be now using the packet tracer. So meaning to say we will be using a firewall here. So first of all, this is the 5505 security appliance. So if we zoom it, this is what the SA security appliance. No, so we'll be having two switches or router depending on the requirements. But for today, we will just be using switches. Maybe 24 port is sufficient. Okay. Okay. So now we will be trying to use two switches here and then apply it directly, no? Connect natin. We also be connecting two switches. Now, as you can notice, we have uh, two connections, no? Ethernet 00 and Ethernet 01 are used, no, to connect two switches. Let's say we have 4 PC here. Okay, so we will be trying to use a personal computer, no? And then connect it using the packet tracer. Ayan. So first of all, important to have to designate yung ating IP addresses. So static tayo, 192.168.1.10 for example. Okay, we have the same network here. And then we have 192 desktop, 192.168.1.20. Okay, so similar, no? Now, according to the instruction here, we will be trying to configure it. But later, maybe we can just use, okay, disconnect muna itong mga to. Okay, so let's say for example, we have the desktop, okay, say 192.168.1.30. Okay, so ito naman ay .40. So we are just configuring 168.1.40. So basically, as you notice, connected na itong mga to. Now, we will be trying to use the command line interface. Okay, no? So here, enable, then enter lang for the password, configure terminal, and then after that, uh, so doon na tayo sa interface, no? Or, ayan, no? So according to the command, interface VLAN. Okay, so after that, we have name if inside. That's the command. So that is for the inside network. Then after that, security level. Take note of the underscore, no? Security level 100. Then after that, IP address. Okay? So 192.168.1.1. So ito yung magiging pinaka IP ng ating, okay, gateway. Then no shutdown. So after that, tayo yung mag-exit muna, no? Yan. So after using that, no, pupusin tayo to interface VLAN 2. Now, as you notice, ito naman ay dedicated for the outside, outside. Dahil outside, sasubukan natin na yan ay lalagyan natin ng security level of 0. Okay, para naman makapasok agad, no? Okay. Tapos, let's say, IP address. O, ito yung gagamitin natin yung IP address. So, babaguhin ko lang mamaya yung, okay, yung ating IP dun sa kabila, no? Okay, then the subnet mask. Okay, so enter. Then we have no shutdown. O no shut, pwede. Then after that, after natin ma-configure yan, no, we will be assigning, no, yung Ethernet to VLAN 2. Okay, exit ka muna. So, siguro, i-ano ko lang ito, i-baguhin ko lang yung aking IP. I-align ko lang dun sa ating, okay, let's say that 10, no? Then, ito naman, 200, that 200, that 200, that 20. Tapos lagyan natin ng gateway na, no, based doon sa ating ginamit. 192.168.1.1. So, ito rin yung ating 192.168.1.1, no? Then as well as, ito yung gagamitin natin as 200.200.200.1. Then 200.200.200.1. So basically, ayan, kung titingnan natin, naka-designate na, no? Yung ating mga gateways at IP addresses. So going back doon sa ating command, i-assign naman natin yung Ethernet, no, sa VLAN 2. So interface, isa-isayin natin. Interface, Ethernet 00. Ethernet, okay. Then after that, switch port access. Switch port access, VLAN 2. And then after that, no shut. So now we will, I don't know, enable the REST interfaces with no shut. So ibig sabihin, iisa-isayin natin lahat, no? Parang Ethernet 0 hanggang 1 hanggang 7. Kasi we will be creating a connection for each VLAN configuration na may tag limang PC. Pero sa ngayon, dalawa muna yung papakita ko sa inyo. And you will screenshot the ping status kung ito ba ay may nagko-connect mo sila o hindi. No? Based sa ating magiging tawag ito, ah, outcome. No? So ngayon, by using this, okay, so exit muna tayo. O switch, okay, exit. So interface, Ethernet, 0/1, switch port access, VLAN 2. Okay. So, tama ba? So, ang ating command dito is, uh, we enable the rest, no, with no shut. This, VLAN 2, no? Tapos, no shutdown. and then exit. Then, ayun, ito naman ay sa 2 naman. Then, switch port, VLAN access to. No shot, exit. Then, try natin hanggang 3. Then, switch port, tapos no shot. Then, exit. Then, ayun, no? Then, ito ay 4. Switch, okay. Then, no shutdown, exit. So, ito lang, iisa-isayin lang natin. No? So, up lang, press up. Then, palitan lang ito ng 5. Okay. And then, we have no shot. Then, 6 or exit rather. Then, ito ay 6. Switch port, no shot, exit. Then, finally, we have to 7, no? Then, switch port. Then, we have no shutdown, exit. Okay, so now, as you can notice, no, with other na provide natin dito. Kumbaga, yung ating 01, no, as you notice, no, dito, no, kumbaga sa ano, yung ating interface, naka-up naman siya, by the way, no. Yan, tatry natin i-ping. Ping natin tong kabila. 68.1.20. So I can connect, no? Kasi may response time. Try ko yung kabila. Ito yung IP ng kabila, no? So hindi tayo makakonect, no? Kasi nga naka ano siya. Ayan, hindi tayo makakonect. Nakabilan ano siya. Kumbaga ibang network siya, no? Ibang network siya. Kasi kung titingnan natin, I can only connect, no? Kumbaga sa ano, yung ating Ethernet 1 naka-down, no? Nakabilan 2. Nakabilan 2. Yung ating ano from Ethernet 0, okay? Nakabilan 2, no? Okay, so ibig sabihin we cannot connect doon sa kabila. Pero try natin dito. I will try to ping 68.10.10. Okay, ito naman ay unreachable naman, no? Okay, so unreachable siya. Okay, so we'll try to to connect. Pero ito kung i-connect ko yung 200.200.200.10. So naka-connect ako doon. No? Pero I cannot connect with with unreachable siya kasi nakaibang let's say that 20 kasi nakabilan to, no? So try natin ipalit, no? Gawin natin yung switch port access nung isang port siguro. Let's try to uh, Ethernet 00. Okay? And then we have, itatry ko sa VLAN 1. Then, after nyan, no shutdown. Exit. So, let's try, no? If I will look. No? So, check lang natin. No? Nagbabasa pa siya. Lumipat ako ng VLAN 1 no? Sa Ethernet 0. Lumipat ako ng VLAN 1. No? So, naka-VLAN 1 yung Ethernet 0 ko. Naka-VLAN 2 naman si ano. So, I will try to connect ulit. Okay, so let's try, no? So, hindi pa rin yan, no? Kasi, check natin kung makaka-connect tayo. Okay, request timeout. So, ito yung ating tinatawag na, ano, latency o yung ating response time, no? Ng ating transmission. So, hindi tayo ano. Pero kung connect tayo dun sa, ano, sa malapit na, kasi from PC0 to yung katabi natin, so pwede. Pero dito, hindi na tayo makakonect, no? Kasi kung titignan natin, si Ethernet 0 nakabilan 1 lang, no? Yan si Ethernet 01 ay nakabilan 2. Okay, so naman si bilan 2, try natin nga i-connect doon. Ito yung PC0. Okay, so let's try, no? Kung makaka-connect. Okay, request timeout. Ayun, no? So we cannot connect, no? Kasi we have the different, no? We have the different VLAN, no? Okay, so hindi tayo mag... Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You can now use this, no? As a guide for your laboratory activity. So thank you and God bless.